goes again. When you put your hand on the rail, you can feel the vibrations. It's loud rattling. I have no idea how these other apartments don't hear that or haven't said anything yet if they can hear it. I feel like it's coming from 19, 18, 17, maybe 20, somewhere around that range. $18, and then like this area right here rattles loud. Sounds like somebody's just drilling for hours. I can hear it in the hallway a little bit, but nowhere near as much as in the stairwell. There it goes again. Yeah, so it's just sporadic, on and off, throughout the whole day, intermittently.